So this next question is specific to the Triangle IP tool, the tip tool, and is asking how they can reduce their outside legal services fees from their patent prosecutor. They're finding that it's just too expensive to be always asking their attorney for status or asking questions of what's going on in a particular thing. Generally, when you reach out to your counsel, you're going to be spending $100 or a few $100s every time you're asking them something, even if a paralegal is giving you the answer. It's just how law firms work. So, you may have a silly question or need something really quickly. That's kind of an impediment as you think of getting the invoice for that. And what was just an off-the-cuff question is going to end up being more expensive than perhaps it was worth. So how do you stay in sync with what's going on at the patent office? So one thing that the tip tool does is typically you would engage counsel to file your patent application, and then it goes into their docketing program, very complex. Maybe they have extranet access to that, really undecipherable. Maybe they'll give you a status report on a regular basis. You can kind of look through that. But tends to be a spreadsheet, not very helpful as you're trying to understand what's going on. Well, once your patents have been filed within the tip tool in the Portfolio Manager tab, we give a listing of all your cases. And for each case, you can pull up a window that gives you information about it, like how well it's doing, what the anticipated costs are, whether or not you're meeting more resistance than you would like at the patent office. Gives you a copy of the patent application. It portrays a family tree so you can see what other cases preceded it or maybe follow it, and what's going on overseas. It'll give you a timeline of the back and forth with the patent office so you can see how difficult it's been to argue it through. But it's really an update of everything you would need to know about the tool. And the nice thing about it is it didn't require pinging your law firm for that information. Then that you get this indecipherable Excel spreadsheet that maybe then you're looking it up at the patent office, or there's some other free tools out there like Google Patents. That's really, really hard. It takes a lot of time. So with the Triangle tool, you can tag all your ideas. So maybe you tag it by product or technology, or however you want to tag it. So you can really quickly search, so that when you have an executive that asks, what patents do we have related to mobile phones? I'll get an off-the-wall question like that. I got that a few months ago. Well, the patents really aren't written that way. So what I had to do was go through the whole portfolio and then decide which ones were applicable to the app that they have, that they install on mobile phones. Well, in the tip tool, I can go in there and then tag everything mobile phone, or phone or something like that. So the next time that I get that request, I can just search the portfolio and see which ideas are related to phones. So the idea is to have a very interactive, web-based portal that's accessible to all the managers and the admins that can see everything within the portfolio. The inventor only gets to see the view of the things that they've interacted with unless they have those enhanced rights. But very quickly you should be able to answer a question that would cost you a few $100s if you were to reach out to your patent prosecutor. So that's the idea with the tip tool, is to make it very transparent, give you the information you need to have to be able to make intelligent decisions with regard to what's going on with your portfolio. So I hope it does that for you. If you have any further questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you got something out of it, and subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more. Thanks.